This is my review on the Cordless vacuum cleaner 8-in-1 lightweight stick vacuum. This is the user manual, and this is the sofa brush. This is the adapter to charge your battery. Very nice. Okay. This is the 2-in-1 brush. So let's open it. Okay, okay. All right. Ooh. Oh, there's the button. Okay. Nice. It's easy to adjust it. Okay. This is the cleaning brush to get into those places you cannot reach, like underneath the brush roll. Okay, okay. All right, let me get that plastic off. Okay, okay. That's very nice. Okay. What else we got in here? Now we have the telescopic tube. I love the metallic pink on the wall. Oh, look at that. That is so sexy. Okay. Now we got the battery. Yep. It's solid, not too heavy. It's solid. Okay. We have an extra HEPA filter. Okay. That's very good. So I know I don't have to go and buy right away. And now we have the body, the vacuum's main body. It's not too weighty. It's manageable. It's not too weighty. I like it. Nice and clean. The dustbin is not too bad. Okay. Nice. There's the dustbin opening, easy. Now we have the floor brush. It's not too weighty, it's solid. Nice. It's not hard brushes. It's like a felt material on it. Nice and smooth, but it's not going to be hard on the carpets. So that might be a problem with carpets that have like different types of fibers. Yeah, you might have to go over it a couple of times. I like my hard brushes, but this is just a simple get and go vacuum. And there's the manual. It shows us the do's and the don'ts and how to use it. Okay, there's something else in this part here. That is the flexible tube. Come out. Yeah, the flexible tube. I love this. I want to use it on my dryer to get in those parts and those crevices. Yeah, I'm going to love this tool. Okay, so it has screws, and this is the wall hanger that you hang on your wall to hang your vacuum, which will come in handy for me because I need the space. So yeah, that's a thumbs up. Now this is the telescopic tube, and it adjusts. Okay, like that. It's a good height for me. Good. Nice. And you could adjust it to where you want it. That's a good thing. Now we're going to attach the telescopic tube to the vacuum's main body and also put on the battery. Okay, so that's where you put it on. Okay, so you're supposed to put it there. I had a little difficulties, but I managed to take my time and look and observe, and I finally got it on. Yes, there's a button there to press to take it off. Okay. Still having a little trouble. Now I decide to look. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Now we're going to attach the telescopic tube to the main body. And here we go. Click. Okay, that's safe. Firm grip. A very good length, I must say. Very good length. Good enough. So now we're going to put on the floor brush. And we're going to click it in. There you go. Easy. I love the way that everything just clicks in, so you know that it's secured. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So we're going to attach all the main tools on the body of the vacuum. We're starting off with the 2-in-1 brush. There's the buttons to adjust. It's a cute little handy tool. I like how the pink just pops out on it. There you go. It's wide. I think I'm going to enjoy using this tool. Okay, so this is the flexible tube. Soft. Okay. Should we just insert it into there? It has a grip. Yeah, it has a grip. And I'll use that. Okay, can't wait to use that. Get that in the corners and in my couch, in my sofa creases. And it's not hard to come off. Nice and squeezable. Here is the wall hanger. It attaches, I guess, like this. Not too sure. When I put it up, I'll show. It goes up like that. And you just attach the main body to it. So I'll do a video to show you that. Okay. Finally done with the unboxing. And that was good. So we're going to show you the battery indicator. That's the power switch and the suction mode switch. Turn it on. That's minimum. Okay, 3 levels. Okay, suction is really good on all 3 modes. Suction is really good. That looks sexy and modern. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna follow up with a demo. And here's all the tools and all that I got in the box. Thank you for staying with me. And let's get ready to see the demo and the honest review of how this machine really works.